see already all panelists, now I will say it is a panel of scientific discussion. All people, all scientists who are participating in this panel, they have their deep understanding about this topic. So now I will say that as we are concluding that how this the discussions of this panel, the opinions of this panel, the new ideas of each panelist about this topic, how this could help the nation building. Dendimer, potential interface of micelle and dendimers, how it could go in, as you have very nicely speak, growth of the science, growth of the nation, how you will further take it up.
जैसे माइसेस जैसे है उसी का फंक्शन हम डेंडाइमा में यूज़ करते हैं।
वेरी गुड।
उसी से डेंडाइमा में भी क्या डेंडाइमा में भी क्या
यू कैन टेक हेल्प ऑफ दिस, देयर इज नो इशू, है ना। जो भी आपका टॉपिक लग रहा है, जो भी आप इसकी हेल्प ले सकते हो आप, है ना।
डेंड्राइमस में भी क्या बोलते हैं मॉडिफिकेशंस हो सकते हैं, जैसे सिक्स रिंग, 4 रिंग, 3 रिंग सर डेंड्राइमस बनते हैं। वैसे
ब्रांचिंग भी आल्सो चेंज कर सकते हैं, डेफिनेटली वी कैन ब्रांच 1 टायर 2 टायर, ओके सर।
वैसे ही वो रिलेट करते हैं, माइसेस के थ्रू रिलेट होता है डेंड्राइमस भी, और उसी से हम बाकी सब फील्ड्स में भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। जैसे इनने बोला मैडम ने कि टेक्सटाइल है, फिर पेट्रोलियम है, और बाकी सब इंडस्ट्रीज भी है, सब यूज़ हो सकती है।
Sir, very critically and very specifically, how could you have attended the discussion of each and every one, and what are the clicking points of this discussion today on the potential interfaces of micelle and endimer, and how it is significant topic, and how there is a need that this topic, if it is uploaded, then it will inspire the people and the learners.
In my opinion, sir, after such a knowledge, I think from tomorrow only one should pursue the integrated research of environment and micelles. From tomorrow only, whoever worked on both of these things should club together and pursue collaborative research. And as you said that since dendrimers are receiving increasing applications for drug carriers, so we can study and
I am talking about interface separately, okay, but
yes,
what are the potential interfaces?
I was coming to that.
Sir.
Maybe due to addition of micelles, maybe we can generalize the thermodynamic stability a little bit better, a little bit more coherent, because they are sensitive molecules. They also add a hydrophilic element to the dendrimer structure. So most of the drugs, they need to be converted to hydrophilic carrier support. So somewhere hydrophilic and hydrophobic modulation and distribution, proper distribution, they can work together to improve our activities.
So main importantly, madam, he also gave one direction that when drug is trapped, and we talk about that steric stabilization, probably if drug is trapped in micelle and then goes to their pattern of stabilization in entropy stabilization will be also different. You mean this, sir?
Yes.
So definitely such configurations would affect the binding and dispersing ability of the drug.
So maybe see micelle structure having both the part, hydrophilic and hydrophilic.
Yes, ma'am.
So we can go with that bilayer micellar structure, and we can trap hydrophilic and hydrophobic both the drugs same time, and then we can use as a secondary structure. The secondary structure is a dendrimer, so we can use micellar structure which is having both drugs, and we can entrap that micellar structure in between the void spaces of dendrimer. So it will be used for a multi-delivery of drug.
Oh, great. My God. Your point is very remarkable. It is a new break. That if one kind of drug because environment, overall environment for void space, and even this micelle, if it is environment specific, and as she is saying, if you have shown that bilayer means different features, so it could trap this drug, it could trap this drug, so many drugs could go together.
So
Do you think
we
it is
are-
not a remarkable?
So we are taking dosage of drug, which is different drugs for a different time. So it will trigger the pH and time stimuli drugs. So we can release drugs by remaining times. So after 5 hours or 10 hours, depend on pH. It is released in liver. Some drugs release in the stomach, like that. So we can use the interfaces like
So
that.
we can develop multiple drug binding and release systems
Systems.
together.
Together,
Very remarkable.
which is temperature and pH stimuli.
Yes. At certain temperature and pH. My God.
Because sir, it is thermodynamically very active, so we can
pH
use
and
this
temperature.
application for that.
pH and temperature. My God. Actually, this such discussions should be more and more. You have just realized that so many new points have come or not.
Yes.
So I am 100% sure that
सर रेड पे ना हुआ सर नहीं अब शुरू किया नहीं भी तो कहाँ से होगी रेड पे सर
Sir, thank you, sir. So what happens that our this discussion, we are just realizing, madam, after participating in the discussion, you are realizing that your mind is picking up something. His mind is picking up something. Only MSc student, they are equally participating as a scientist. Am I right or no? And I am simply coordinating. I am not adding anything. I am simply coordinating the discussions of scientists. So hereby I am lucky, I feel lucky to be associated with a scientist like Parsar, like Shivani madam, and our upcoming scientist Jhala madam, and Keyur Rathi sir. So let us hope for the best. We hope that our this discussion, our this mind storming session could help or could give some new idea to the learners of the science. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Wish you all the best.